Today, the Divi University membership changes forever. Now, I've had a lot of support from a lot of you. In fact, 618 members who trusted me, who believed in me at the times where I was really, really low, no product, my affiliates were not really working out for me, and you believed me. Even at a time where Divi was in alpha and I was trying to create a product for Divi 5, you went and you bought SiteKrafter Pro. Today, each and every one of you that purchased SiteKrafter Pro now have a lifetime membership to Divi University. And I'm calling it Divi University Plus. Now let's take a look and see what the Plus has. So first of all, if you're a Divi University lifetime member, which is the Divi University Plus, you're going to get the step-by-step courses, current courses, and future courses. You're also going to get direct access to me. Now, this hasn't started yet, but it's something I'll be introducing once the pressure dies down. You'll be able to contact me if you are having, specific problems with your setup. And I don't know if you have noticed this, but I've already started responding with videos to a few problems here and there in the community. You also have access to templates and layouts, all of them. You don't need to pay a penny from this moment onwards. You also get community and support and live workshops. Now, these are going to be fun because as soon as Divi gets out of beta, we are now free, or at least confident, to start designing websites which are front-facing, which are now facing all our clients. And this is going to be very exciting because I have so many examples of websites that I'm going to build. So these are the courses that we have so far. So remember, when you purchased SiteKrafter, it was $299 for the lifetime membership. And look at the value you're getting now. The Divi Mastery course, of course, right now it's at $27, but the price is going to go to $97 because it's going to cover pretty much everything you need about Divi 5. You also have email marketing automation. You have Sell Online. Now, these are the two courses which I think are very, very important when it comes to web design. The first one here is the web design formula. Now, have you ever wondered how people design websites and they just look beautiful? It's because there's formulas behind it, like real formulas. This is what I'll be teaching in this course, Web Design Formula. And by the end of this course, you are going to be so confident in building websites because you're going to be using the spacing scale, you're going to be using clamp, you're going to be using color properly, and so on. We also have the freelance formula. Now, what's the point in learning how to design these amazing websites if you can't build a business around it? This is where the freelance formula comes in. I also show you exactly what you need to create a thriving business in whatever niche that you want to go into. And this will come with templates and so on. And further down here, for those of you, of course, you'll be familiar with this. This is the product that made you become a Divi University Plus lifetime member, SiteKrafter Pro. But now the difference is the lifetime membership for SiteKrafter Pro is gone. It's not there anymore. Now it's only $147 per year. It's now a yearly membership or a yearly license, and pretty much that's it. Okay. We have Initia. This is the starter site. We also have Crafter presets, and we have also two products coming up very, very soon. There's Crafter components. These are a combination of these Divi 5 modules, which are then easier to use, plug and play, drag and drop, and just start using them. But Crafter frames is what I'm really excited about. These are fully designed sections, which you just pick, drag and drop, and pretty much you have a full section. It's going to have dark and light versions, so it's going to be very, very easy to put websites together. Now, these sections are going to be inspired by websites that we see every day, which are well designed. So this is going to be a product which is a must-have, and this is going to cost $197. So you can see the value of what you're going to be getting from this. It's massive. It's massive, only because you've been with me from the beginning. Just by purchasing SiteKrafter Pro for $299 for the lifetime membership. So I want to say thank you so much, and I really, really appreciate it. So the question now is, okay, so what do we do if you want to become a member? Now, here's the thing. If you want to become a member, this is going to cost you quite a bit, because there's a lot more value now in Divi University Plus. There's going to be so much courses, so much information. It's unbelievable. This is going to be the go-to place if you're a Divi 5 user. So there's going to be a yearly membership. Divi University Plus yearly is going to be $497, and the lifetime is going to be $997. Okay, but I'm going to have perhaps maybe a 30% discount for Black Friday. I haven't decided yet. Now, there are some of you that were, on the borderline. You weren't sure if this was going to work, and you purchased you purchased a yearly membership of SiteKrafter. Here's an opportunity now to what? To upgrade to lifetime. And this is just a one-off. So if you purchase SiteKrafter Pro on the yearly license, this is your opportunity to upgrade it. For only $199, you get all the benefits of everything that I've just explained. And this is a lifetime membership. Once you purchase this, $199, because the yearly one was $99, I think. So plus $199, this gives you the full membership. No need to pay anything in the future. You get everything, all current courses, all templates, current and future, and also my support. So that's the upgrade. You can just go ahead and upgrade. But please, once you do that upgrade, please go ahead and cancel the recurring yearly thing. Just cancel it, please, because it might cause us problems in the future. But this is your upgrade that you need. Again, everything is on this page. If you want to access this page, it's called diviuniversity.com, become a member. So it takes you to this page. Now, there's something else I also wanted to talk about, and that is some of the improvements that were done. And these improvements were, very important. So you're going to notice that on your profile, you're going to get Divi University Plus. You can see it here, DU Plus on Piers. He's been there from the beginning. Oh my goodness. He's one of the supporters of Divi University. And I know there's moments where things have become, things became very difficult for me. And as you can imagine, I've been trying to build this single-handed. And there were times where I'll get burnt out, and then I'll come back again, and I'll be behind on my support tickets. But you guys have just held strong and believed in me. So again, thank you so much. So here you're going to see a new label called DU Plus. Okay. So this DU Plus is going to be the new label now. Okay. So once you see that, your account is okay. But we haven't finished the transition yet, because there's a lot of you that still needs to get that tag. And that is 618, I think. Yeah, members. So you are going to see this very, very soon, which is fantastic. Now, there's also another page which is going to be very, very important, because this page is the page that pretty much directs you to wherever you want to go. So I know there's situations where someone purchases, they forgot, or they're not sure where to go and find where they've purchased. Now there's just a simple download button here. It takes you to this page, and you'll be able to go and download the latest version of SiteKrafter Pro, Crafter presets, the header and footer template, and I'll also be adding more items here, more templates, okay? It's going to be an easier place to come in and download whatever it is you want to download, okay? I just thought I'll just make this easier. We also have the account. Now, this account is also very important, because this is where you get to see your purchase history, what you've purchased, and if you need to download anything, you can just come over here and you can download it straight away. That is your account page. Now, there's also various pages. If you want support, you can just come over here, create your ticket. And as I mentioned before, these are going to be coming very soon: Crafter frames, Crafter modules, and Crafter itself. I will be explaining these in detail. And of course, we have our communities here, the courses. This will just take you straight to the courses or straight to the community. Very, very easy to use. But in all of this, I know I keep saying this is just me showing how your trust in me is very, very important. I don't take this, for granted. I really want to say thank you very much for believing in me. I know I'm not perfect, And I know quite a lot of work still needs to be done for this to be a fantastic product. But I think about 70% of the work has been done. And now is going to be time for me to dedicate all my energy and my efforts to all of you in the lifetime membership, because I would like to teach as much as I can. And I think we're at the stage where Divi also is going to get out of beta very, very soon. And that is very, very exciting. I love teaching, and I'm sure you found me through the videos that I've been putting out there. So I would like to say thank you very much and see you very soon. If you have any issues, drop me a DM, drop me an email, and I'll do my best to respond to it in a very timely manner. Thank you very much.